So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with stories on Instagram. So please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and go to apps in the top right here and search for Instagram between all the apps that you have on your phone. After you find it, just click on it. And after you click on it, it will take you to this page right here. As you can see, you will find many informations. So all what you have to do is go to the storage, click on clear data, and then go back, click on force stop, and go back again to storage, and this time click on clear cache. And after that, all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the open by default and make sure to enable this option right here. Choose always allow. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.